तो गाइज़ आज हम लोग आए हैं द्वारका में आपको वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बजट होटल विज़िट कराने हैं। यहाँ पे हम 500 मीटर दूर है ठीक मंदिर से, और जो बजट होटल हम आपको एक्सप्लोर कराना चाहते हैं वो है होटल संस्कृति इन। मेरे ठीक पीछे ये जो होटल आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज़ अ न्यूली रेनोवेटेड होटल। बस 1-1.5 साल ही हुआ है इस होटल को रेनोवेट हुए, और काफ़ी बढ़िया प्रॉपर्टी है, काफ़ी बजट एकोमोडेशन है। सीज़न ऑफ सीज़न में इनके रेट्स वोलेटाइल नहीं होते हैं, स्टेबल रहते हैं। सो लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस होटल प्रॉपर्टी। इट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ पेंट हाउस ऑन टॉप ऑफ द टेरेस। सो वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर द एंटायर प्रॉपर्टी हियर। Come, let's follow me. So this is the reception area. A warm welcome at the reception counter. And you walk in here on the corridor to reach the lift at the end. This property has a total of 23 rooms and 2 penthouses on top of the terrace, and we are now exploring all the 3 type of rooms available here. This room is a family executive room. So you can see a very cozy room, good interiors. A family of 4 can easily reside in here with 2 extra cots. There is a study table provision, a coffee table with 2 chairs. All the rooms are air conditioned in this hotel. It has clean and neat washrooms. All the rooms have western toilet facilities. Also, there is a provision of a mini fridge inside the room with a small wardrobe. The wow factor of this hotel is that it also houses 2 penthouses on the 5th floor, and द्वारका में बहुत कम ऐसे hotels हैं जहाँ पे penthouse की availability है, and this is one of them. So we'll have a view of the penthouse. As you can see, this penthouse houses a very beautiful hall with sofa set. Has a dining table, along with that mini fridge. And this is the beautiful balcony. As I open this, you come along with me here to have a magnificent view of the Dwarkadhish temple. So जो लोग यहाँ पेंट हाउस में रहना चाहते हैं, अफोर्डेबल है, आप यहाँ टेरेस से मॉर्निंग में कॉफ़ी और टी पीते हुए you can have a view of the Dwarkadhish temple. And the plus point here is it's very airy because यहीं सामने जो है बीच है, तो it's also a sea view. You can also view the sea from here. The interiors are well crafted. You can see there's one common toilet available. As you can see, this is the bedroom, an attached bedroom. काफ़ी spacious है. It has a wardrobe facility, a study table, and an attached washroom with all modern facilities. Next room is the deluxe category room. It is a spacious room where 3 people can easily accommodate with an extra cot. A modern bathroom with all amenities. A dressing table along with TV and a very nice cozy bed. The rooms are all air conditioned, clean with wooden flooring. The next room type is the suite room. The room has an attached toilet bathroom with all modern fittings. This room is spacious enough for 2 people to accommodate easily. It has a coffee table and a chair. A wardrobe with this cozy bed. This hotel also houses an in-house restaurant. So at the reception, आप देखेंगे राइट साइड पे ही देयर इज़ रेस्टोरेंट अवेलेबल, अ प्योर वेज रेस्टोरेंट प्रोवाइडिंग पंजाबी, गुजराती, मारवाड़ी एंड साउथ इंडियन डिशेस. So you can have your breakfast, lunch and dinner in-house. You don't have to walk in across the market.